So guys, for today's video, we're gonna play Skip Survey. Bago muna yun, maglalaro muna ako ng Funky Friday. Okay, tapos na maglaro ng Funky Friday. So, ayoko nga i-turn ng volume ko, nakakatakot. And we're in the survey, baby. Haha, no. Yo, look at my handsome face right there. Oh my god. Gusto ko lumanghap ng fresh air. Buksan ko nga to. Are you having a nice day? Of course. Do you have any responsibilities? Ikaw lang responsibilidad ko, bro. Tingnan ng paligid, baka may mumu. Are you familiar with your surroundings? Malamang bahay ko to. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? O ka mga sa buhay na iba? If the lights went out, would you be scared? Yes. Have you cleaned up your desk lately? Yes. Open the folder of your desk. How the fuck is it true? Malamang. Are you playing on a mobile phone? Yes. Do you think often about death? No. Are you alone? Home alone? No. You aren't alone. Did you check your room? Paano kayo check ang room ko? No. If you screamed, would anybody hear? Tama. Busy ako, mamaya na lang. Do you know the person standing behind you? Wala naman tao din eh. What in the actual Are you alone? Malamang hindi, may nakita akong black man. Relax, take some time to relax. Ayoko nga. Have you seen the person outside your window? Shit. Bruh, ayoko nga tumingin. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? Wala, may tao ba dito? Yes. Laro tayo, tara, wait. Pepsi, okay. Sana naman matigil ka. Oh, ba't wala nang questions? Yo, did I beat the game? Oh, I think I beat the game. Yo, GG. Ewan ko lang, pero bakit walang lumabas na ganito sa aking Roblox? Possible raid warning. Yung friend ko kasi may lumabas daw na ganito eh. Paki-explain nga sa comments.